everyone, Tina Service here with Lead Titan, and in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your Maid Central to Lead Titan or GoHighLevel. And if you've been following along with the other videos, this one is actually going to be for the trigger event of Do Not Market. So I'm going to take you back to the beginning of this in case you haven't watched the other videos. So we're going to start with Zapier. Again, just so you know, this is assuming that you already have your Maid Central integration done with Zapier. If you haven't watched the other video that I have on my YouTube channel on how to make that connection, please watch that. And then this is also assuming that you have your GoHighLevel Lead Titan account connected to Zapier as well. And if you haven't watched that video, I do have a video on that as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. So we're in our Zapier account. We're going to hit Create, New Zap. And in here, we're going to go find the Maid Central connection. And the trigger event is going to be Do Not Market. So as I have previously mentioned, there are 10 different triggers that are available in Maid Central Zapier account. There are a few of them that I don't pull in, but this one is for anybody that you mark in Maid Central that you don't want to market to, and you want to pull it over to your GoHighLevel account. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and hit continue. We're going to see if we have any data in here. Okay, so it doesn't look like we have anything. I'm going to try it just one more time just to be sure. Okay, I do have a record from January 26th, and it looks like we have some data here. So I'm going to go ahead and continue with this, and we're going to select our lead connector, which is the gray label for GoHighLevel. Again, this is assuming your account is already connected. And what we're going to do here is we're going to actually update the contact as Do Not Market. So actually, you know what? I'm going to update the opportunity. Let me just make sure I have that because there's not an easy way to mark them in GoHighLevel as Do Not Market unless you create an automation. So let me just go make sure I have this in my Maid Central pipeline. Okay, so I actually did not have that in my pipeline, so I added Do Not Market. So we're going to go ahead and update these fields here. And again, remember to bring in the phone number and the email every single time because GoHighLevel is going to match on those. If you don't do that, it's actually going to create a duplicate account for you or contact for you, which is going to be slightly annoying because you're going to have to go in and delete those. And because this is a Do Not Market, we're going to keep mark as lead as false, meaning that we don't ever want to talk to them. So the pipeline is going to be the Maid Central pipeline, and the stage that we're going to select is the Do Not Market. And then we're going to go all the way to the bottom here, and we're just going to hit continue. And then we're going to test the step. And then to verify, we're going to go over here to the opportunities, and we're going to see if that person showed up here. Now, again, as you're watching this video, you're not going to be able to see the person's name because YouTube does not allow us to show people's personal information online, but it did come over. Okay,